Hello everyone, Alberto from Frenetic here. I'm going to share with you a new feature that we have inside Frenetic, that is this new comment section in the simulator. I'm going to share with you two situations in which you could use or take advantage of this new feature. And in the process, I'm going to show you how it works, basically. The first situation would be if you have a personal design and you want to make any kind of personal note, you can do it here, and you will have it saved from whenever you want. You enter again this design, this simulation. For example, I want to say that this simulation belongs to project A, because maybe this simulation belongs to a certain project, and I want to make sure and to remember here that this simulation belongs to project A. But maybe this simulation also belongs, if I write it, simulation also belongs to client B. But when I was writing client, I should have written client C, but I made a mistake. Doesn't matter, because you can delete any comment that you personally write. And now you can say that this simulation belongs to client Z. You can also make any kind of personal note, truly. Maybe you want to change tomorrow the wire type. Maybe you don't have time right now and you want to make a change in the wire type. Maybe you want to change them to round. You can write it here. Change the wire type to round. And you have this note here, and then you can delete it whenever you want. Maybe you have already changed it and you don't want this comment here any longer. And that would be basically the first situation. I'm going to show you now the second situation in which you could use this feature. Okay, so let's do the second situation. The second situation is when you have a design shared maybe with someone with your company, or with someone from Frenetic, or you have sent a simulation to verification and to basically order a magnetic and have a sample of it. In that case, anyone that has access to this simulation can also comment inside this simulation. For example, someone can comment, and in order for you to see it, you can upload, refresh the conversation, and now you see this comment that was made by Clear Water right now. How should we approach this inductor? And now you can answer any way you want. Maybe you want to say, maybe we should use round wires, and you ask it, and now you have sent it, and now you can go perfectly to winding, and you can do any change you basically want. And if they comment while you are doing this, it doesn't matter, because when you enter the comment section, you will see the new comments. That if EPS Clearwater would to write, that is a great idea. Now, when I enter the comment section, I'm going to see that he has written that is a great idea. Of course, you can only delete your comments. You cannot delete the comments of other people. But you can also, as I have said, send a design to verification and have the direct conversation between our engineers and yourself right here. So I'm going to show you now that situation. Okay, so as we saw, right now I'm in another design. This design maybe is ready for verification, and I have already sent it to verification, so our engineers have access to this design. I have commented that this design I think is ready to verification, and players have commented too, so we have both comments. But if engineer would to comment, you would see it a little bit different, so that you know that an engineer is right now commenting. If I were, you can, as I have said, you can refresh here, or you can refresh closing and opening. Let's refresh here. And as you can see, Javier Frenetic, that is an engineer in Frenetic, has just commented. And you can see that the background is a light blue. This one is a light gray. This one is a light blue. Engineers have a light blue background. So you know that they are an engineer. They are also usually called Frenetic too, and you can write any kind of doubt here, and the engineer will respond to you, and that's great. That is great. You can comment here, and you can have a direct conversation here. Great. And now And that's basically it. Thank you very much from watching.